This is Snigdha here, and with me is Zoya Chowdhury, right? So she takes care of this restaurant that we are here at. It's the restaurant and bar cafe. Zoya manages this restaurant here at the moment. She will give us a little insight into the restaurant. Yeah, so over to you, Zoya.
Okay, so Highland from our end, we always try and make the customer experience is our main motive. We try to keep the place very cozy for everyone who enters, as in friends, family, everyone. Our main goal is to just keep them happy. And as soon as they enter the gate, we just want them to have their best time and have fun.
What is your menu like, if you can tell?
Okay, so we mainly focus on Oriental, Continental. We try to give a little bit of everything from everywhere, Indian,
Okay.
a little from everywhere. We keep launching new dishes and everything every few months, so that all our guests get a lot of variety and all. Then we have a wide range of cocktails, something a little bit for everyone.
Where are your other outlets? Highland?
So the other two outlets are one is in Kalyani Nagar
Right.
and one is in Baner. It was 2021.
Okay.
We started out as a cloud kitchen. We are still operating as a cloud kitchen on Zomato as Super Bowl and yeah. So we are still doing that. Plus then, as soon as the lockdown opened up, we started.
It's lovely. How large is this restaurant?
1,500 square feet or so. We've got our kitchen over there. We've got an inside section for family, AC section. Outside we have area for all the teenagers, youngsters. We've got a foosball table outside.
Alright.
And I told you a little for everybody. For all those Instagram people, we've got all the neon signs down there. We have the foosball table down. That's the only game that's very popular. Plus, we are going to start our High Olympics. As in, we are starting games, a little beer pong, chugging contest, and everything from next Thursday.
Who invents all this? Who does your menu? Who does the planning? And
All the credit goes to Ninad sir and Aniket sir. Aniket sir is our editor, Ninad sir is our general manager. And Ninad, that I told you, he's the general manager. He's been operating all the three outlets.
you told us about your menu. You told us about your drinks, right? So what sort of crowd do you get? Mostly.
We get a lot of mixed crowd, and IBM is completely mixed. There's not one type of people who like to go. Large variety, as in oldest people to the youngest one I've seen coming to our restaurant.
In IBM?
Yeah, according to me, as in how much I have seen in the past 2 years, I've seen a lot of people here. I have old crowds coming here for kitty party. They have their outings here during the afternoons. During evenings, we have college students, friends, families. As in right now also when the live music was going on, there was a family, three families sitting outside enjoying,
Having
singing.
a great time. You know directly in F&B, right? In hotel management.
No, I-
So this was your first.
Yeah, this was my first job, but I've learned quite a lot, and I didn't know that I liked doing this before.
Now you enjoy it.
I enjoy it to the fullest. I was very unclear about what profession I'm going to be choosing.
Are you still studying?
Yes, I'm still studying. I'm in my final year. I'm doing BCA.
So work and
Yeah, I'm coding in the morning.
you're doing BCom. So
No, I'm in science, computer applications.
wonderful, and you're doing this.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. It's completely different.
How are you managing this? There's a lot of.
This is something I love. I just love doing this. So I find sometimes somewhere I
Just
just
de-stress here also, right?
yes, it is. I like I told you when I entered here, I was very shy kind of a person. I didn't know how to speak to people. But as soon as I entered here, all the staff just treated me with so much love.
Just took you in.
Yeah. So, a new person.
family.
Yes, it's completely my family. I'm so free with them and I just love coming here. Aniket sir is here. He's here every day. Then sir that I know. He's also here 2 to 4 times a week.
So you have someone there.
Yeah, I have someone beside me all the
On
time.
your own.
I'm never on my own.
You have to manage.
They are always there behind. So when they are not there, I have the confidence to do it on my own.
So you handle only this outlet.
Only here. I'm the PR manager. I handle their Instagram page. Okay, I take care of the table allocations and everything. I handle their Instagram page, Highland and IBM. We've got 2,500 followers.
Okay. And you take care of that.
Yes.
So what are your plans, Zoya?
So I definitely plan on staying here for as long as I can. I love improving the place. I love taking care of this place. I love how they treat me as a family, and I'm so comfortable
Do
around.
you have a passion for this? Right?
I have. I completely.
So it's
love
like
it.
it's not like work. It's like it's
No,
like a
it's
holiday
fun for
you.
me.
It's fun.
As
You
soon as
enjoy
I
it.
enter,
Nothing like
even
enjoying your work. You know.
Yeah.
It's a lovely place to be. Very lovely. Very lucky. It's a very happy place to be.
Yeah, because every second day we have parties going on inside, birthday parties. I take care of them. Then we have live music as we saw tonight. Tomorrow we will have our Bollywood nights where DJ will
So what
sing.
events you have here? What kind of events?
Okay, so every Wednesday we have ladies night where we offer free drinks for ladies. Then we've got LIT nights. As you know, the Long Island iced tea. So we have offers on those. So one day is dedicated for that. Every Wednesday we do that as well. And every Friday we have our live music going on. We have a lot of crowd on the weekend.
So it's every Friday or it
Every
runs
Friday.
through the week?
Saturday we have our Bollywood night. So our DJ will be playing. We have the Bollywood vibe going on, only Bollywood music. We have a DJ and I don't think we need a dancer yet because people just find the place and they dance their heart
Oh
out.
my God.
You should just enter on a Saturday and I bet you will be dancing
Really?
there.
Timings of here are from
6 to 12 in the evenings. In the morning we open around 11:30 and then till night 1:30.
Would you take any corporate
Even here, yeah, we will play corporate too. Our restaurant, according to our guests, the reviews that I get, it's a very cozy place, a homely place for them as well. They feel very comfortable. We have a lot of regular guests coming in every weekend, every day. As in, we have so many regular guests, as in I can just point out right now. Plus, we are getting so many new guests as well because people are putting in a good word for us. And I hope that we keep the customer experience. So, inside section, we have a small inside section for now. But outside, we can have around 150.
you attract more?
Yeah, we have more crowd. And NIPM surely needs a dance floor.
Yes.
We have two or three competitions, but I don't want to name them out. But we are doing really good. They are not competitions, but
Good place here. What other restaurants are here besides?
so we've got backstage on the main road.
We got an insight. We had a lovely discussion with Zoya over here, and she's very passionate about what she does. And we are looking to have a lot of add-ons here, also on the menu. Maybe some other time we will drop by. We had a lovely time. We'd like to thank Zoya for having us.